Hello everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to link your Horizen Mainchain address to the Horizen governance system. This way, the Zen that you have on both the Mainchain and EON will combine to increase your total voting power. It's also important to note, if you want to vote in governance proposals, having an EON address funded with Zen, it's a requirement. So let's get started. We connect with MetaMask. We select the address that we want to link. Connect. Okay, you can see here the address, it's already linked. So for the next step, we are going to require Sphere by Horizen. But first, we need to copy the EON address. So let me copy. We close, we go to Sphere, and now you select the address that you want to link. In this case, I want to link the first one with 0.3 Zen. And you see here the cogwheel. And next to it we have a signature icon, so you click on the signature icon. It will open a tab and you paste here the EON address, and you can see it's the same address. This is a very important step, so make sure you are pasting your EON address. We click create signature and we are going to get a signature. For this step I recommend you to open a text editor. So we open a text editor, we copy to clipboard and we paste it here. Okay, we close the tab, and afterwards we are going to copy our Mainchain address. So we are going to copy it below. Okay, so now we have both the signature and we have the Mainchain address. So we can go back to the portal and we click link Mainchain address. Okay, as you can see, it's asking us our Mainchain address, which we have here. And it's asking for the Mainchain signature, which we also have here. We click link. It's going to create a transaction on EON. We click confirm. And that's it. After 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, it will show you, okay, here it is. And you can repeat the process for multiple addresses. And that's it. It's this simple.